like me, they long to be.
Oh, no, no, I was.
Mom, wait.
I was.
Ted, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything's okay.
Okay, just take your time. It's all right.
You know, he's been in there over a half an hour.
Julie, I think he's masturbating.
Oh, come on.
Well, he was watching the on his face.
I was watching the bird.
It's male health.
Oh,
Just go out and then he comes.
okay, listen, I'm coming in, okay? No, don't. Exactly, what the hell is the situation? What, did you shit yourself or something? I wish I got it stuck. You got what stuck? It. Oh! It, well, listen, it's not the end of the world. These kind of things happen, that's how I play that. Oh, my God, man! Sheila! No! Sheila, honey! Don't! Sheila, honey, you gotta come here. You gotta see this. What? No! Don't! Hey, don't worry. She's a dental hygienist. She'll know exactly what to do.
Hi, Ted.
Hey, Mrs. Jensen, how are you?
You okay?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Charlie could have warned me. No. Okay,
Sorry,
now,
Mrs. Jensen. I just want I don't want her here. No.
let's just relax, okay? Now, what exactly are we looking at here?
What do you mean? What?
Well, I mean, is it the
Is it the Frank or the beans? Oh, I don't know. It looks like I think it's a little bit of both.
Break the vein! Break the vein!
Well, what's that bubble there?
Frank
What do you think? Well, how the hell did you get the beans above the Frank? I mean, I don't know. It wasn't like it was a well thought out plan.
You know, there really does seem to be an awful lot of skin coming through there, so I'm going to find some back tea, honey.
No, you know what? I don't need any. Really.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Christ.
What the hell's going on here? Neighbors said they heard a lady scream.
Well, you're looking at him. Okay. You gotta take a look at this thing.
Oh, Jesus.
Ain't it a beaut?
What the hell were you thinking? How the hell did you get the zipper all the way to the top?
Well, let's just say the kid's living.
Somebody's gonna have to move that station wagon in front so I get the truck in it.
Lenny, come here. Take a look at what this numbnuts did.
Holy shit!
Yeah, look at this.
Eddie, get down here quick. Bring everybody. Bring a camera. You're not gonna believe this. We got a kid down here. What's your name?
No, there's only one thing to do.
Wait, you know what? I got an idea. Look. We don't have to do anything because, look, I can just wear this over the front. Look, I can go to the prom with you later. Relax. You already laid the tracks. That's the hard part. Now we're just gonna back it up.
Teddy, brave.
It's just like pulling off a band.
Uh,
A 1 and a 2 and
We got a bleeder! Keep the pressure on. Keep it on. Everybody get on. Please move out of the way. Please move. This is serious, people. He was
Are you okay, Ted?
masturbating.
Are you all right?
oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
Ted.
That's the joke that makes everything worth it. Enjoy your day.